How to reset mobile network settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Reset. Next, scroll down, and in the Reset section, tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings, then tap on Reset Settings. Next, we put in the PIN and then tap on Continued, then tap on Reset. And that's it. Your mobile network settings have now been reset back to the default. This feature is particularly useful if you are unable to connect to your network, or if your internet connections is slow, or if it keep breaking up. Sometimes reset the mobile network settings will allow you to re-establish the connection and have your phone work again when you're trying to use the internet. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.